Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday and welcome back to another vlog. I am in the car headed to go to work. Normally I would ride with my mom and then Christian would come and pick me back up because he has not left yet, so we're still sharing a car, but my mom is actually staying home today, so she was like, just take my keys and take my car to work. So I love her car, so I'm very excited to drive it to work. She just got it, I think, in March, and it's a 2025 Buick Vista, and it's so beautiful, and it rides like so smooth. It's so hard to explain, but I always say that it feels like you're not even moving whenever you're driving down the road. It just glides, you know. It's so nice. But I love this car. She had been wanting it for a really long time, and I was just really happy for her whenever she got it, so it's very nice. But yeah, I'm gonna head into work. I'm not sure if my coworker is gonna be there or not because she was out all last week, so she might be there today, like trying to make up some hours. So usually if she's there, I don't really film because I'm not trying to be all up in her business. So if she is there, I'll see you guys later. If she isn't, I'll see you guys at work. My coworker didn't come in today, which is fine because there wasn't much to do anyway. She was here yesterday and she did a few things. I actually quite like working by myself back here. I can throw on whatever music and just vibe it out on my own, you know? I brought one of these Oikos protein drinks for like a snack, like a mid-morning snack. This one is strawberry banana. It's really good. For breakfast I did just 2 of those protein waffles. I don't know when I'll ever be tired of those. The blueberry Kodiak ones and some cottage cheese and then a coffee. I did go to the gym today. I went this morning and did legs and then did a little walking cool down afterwards. I know last vlog I had said that I didn't have any cakes for this weekend, but that I would take some on if they were people that I couldn't say no to, and I had a couple of people reach out that I've done orders for in the past, and they were like really simple cakes, literally no fondant work, anything like that, like even icing the same color and everything, like just per cake. It's 1 white cake and 1 green cake. There's not like a bunch of icing colors that I have to mix or anything, so super simple. And I took them on and they're both really cute. The style of cakes that they wanted are my favorite style, so of course I said yes. So I have those for Saturday, and then on Saturday Christian and I have a couple shower to go to for one of his buddies that he was actually one of our groomsmen. He got engaged a few months ago and we went to their engagement party, and then this Saturday is their couple shower. Sunday we're leaving to go up north to where his unit is. We're gonna be there for 2 days because on Monday they've got like their change of command and farewell ceremony, and then on Tuesday they actually leave. And both things are pretty early in the morning, so we're just gonna stay up there on Sunday night and Monday night and do that. And it's gonna be weird because I've dealt with him leaving for long periods of time for different military training and stuff like that, but I think the longest we've been apart was 6 weeks, and so he'll be gone for over a year. Luckily I can go visit him, but and I'm super excited about that. But yeah, it'll be really weird. I know that the dogs will really miss him. I know that he'll really miss the dogs. He's been talking about it for a while, how he's gonna miss them so much because he won't see them for a year. I won't bring them with me because I don't know about them flying. They're too anxious and I don't want to do that to them. So, but I am gonna try my best to keep my life moving along while he's gone. I started following a few people on TikTok that are military spouses and wives specifically, and they're dealing with their husband either gone on deployment or gone for training or something like that, or preparing for deployment, and they're big on not letting their life pause whenever their husband leaves, because I could see why that's easy to do, because Christian and I, we hang out all the time. We do so much stuff together. We just enjoy each other's company, so it'll be weird, you know. It's not like, oh, if we randomly decide we want to go to brunch, we just go do it. That won't be an option. So, but I'm gonna keep myself busy, just do as much as I can, you know, go on a couple of trips, hang out with my girlfriends, do brunch with them. So yeah, it'll be all right. This guy has a date with the groomer, aka me, because he's looking like a gremlin. You ready? You ready? He's all done. He's not so gremlin-y anymore. Huh, boo-boos? Let's take this off. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. It's super early in the morning. It's like 6 a.m. I just got out of the gym. I did my cardio day, so I am nice and sweaty. What always gets me, because I don't do like high intensity cardio or anything, I do pretty chill cardio, but I always do the stair climber or the stair stepper or whatever, that big tall machine that's like you're walking up a flight of stairs, and I do that for 10 minutes, either at the beginning or today I did it at the end, and that always gets my face like beet red and sweating so much. So I'm gonna go home and take a shower, get ready for work. I probably won't work for too long today because there's not a whole lot going on at work, and I also have a good bit of stuff that I need to get done today at home. So I'm gonna go shower and get ready and then get the day really started. I told Christian that I was bored and hungry. Sorry, the printers are going. So he's on his way to come get me now. I need to run an errand. I need to go to the store for a few things and maybe we'll get some lunch. And then I need to bake cakes and make buttercream. I put it off so far in the week because I just didn't have a lot going on. So now it's crunch time. You're gonna eat?
What?
You're gonna eat things?
Oh, yeah. Yesterday, for lunch, I just ate like.
Wow.
Oh, these things are like stuck in the front of my head.
Yeah, I kind of feel apart honestly.
Get that little puff on it. Start getting that puff.
I've got 3 cakes in total that I need to get done and 2 batches of buttercream. One of these cakes is gonna be a lemon blueberry, which is like one of the best flavors ever. It's so good. I decided to pick up some nails while I was at Walmart because we have the couples shower on Saturday and then Christian's like farewell thing for before they leave on deployment is on Monday right after. So I wanted to make my nails look nice because they look rough most of the time. So I got this. They're like the not chrome, but the magnetic, you know, that people get done where they kind of change when they move. And I thought this was a decent color because in all honesty, I'll probably wear black. It's like my comfort color. That's pretty. Yeah, and it's not like super long or anything. So I'll probably put these on tomorrow or maybe Saturday. Okay, so my only plan today was originally to just bake them and then wrap them up, but we have such a busy day tomorrow and we kind of need to get an early start. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and ice them as much as I can. And it's still pretty early, it's only like 3 o'clock, so I think I can get them done. Alright, my cakes are crumb coated. They're in the freezer, chilling, and then I will ice them. For dinner tonight, I'm keeping it like semi-simple. Honestly, it's pretty simple. I'm just gonna bake some sweet potatoes, throw them in there whole, and I'm gonna bake some asparagus along with the sweet potatoes, so I just have to like oil them up and season them. And then I'm doing barbecue chicken, so I'm just gonna season the chicken thighs and put some barbecue sauce on them and bake them in the oven. So everything will be baked. It'll be like minimal prep and pretty minimal cleanup, because I'll just have to clean a couple of pans and it'll be delicious. I love a good baked sweet potato. One of my favorite like vegetables, or whatever you want to call it. Root vegetable, I guess it is a vegetable. They're so good though. I make it a little unhealthy. My grandma taught me this. I usually put a little bit of butter, brown sugar, and a sprinkle of cinnamon, and it's like dessert. It's so good. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. We have a good bit of errands to run today. Just a few things, really. But first, we're going to start out with trying a new coffee place. A 7 Brew just opened up like 15 minutes away from us, and I think they're all over the country, but we've never had one down here. So we're excited, and we're going to go give it a try this morning. And then after that, I have a hair trim appointment at 11, so we're going to do that. And then we're gonna head to our favorite sushi spot for lunch. He wants to have it one last time before he leaves. And then we need to go on the Air Force Base. He needs a few things for his uniform. I kind of wanted to look at their clothing section because I wanted to get something new for his farewell ceremony on Monday. So we're gonna look around there, and there's a few things we need to get from the grocery store there. And I think that may be it, but we'll see what else we get into for the day. Okay, so coffee review. I got the sweet and salty, which is salted caramel, white chocolate, breve, and it's so good. I wish it wasn't, because now I'm gonna want to go back all the time. And he got the brunette, which is hazelnut, caramel, and mocha. And he gets his with oat milk, but it's also so delicious. So it was definitely worth the 15-minute drive. And it was not expensive. Both of these drinks, I mean, these are like 24 ounce drinks.
It's like under 12 bucks.
Under $12, yeah. So highly recommend if you have one by you. I'm not sure when's the last time I talked to y'all, but I did get my hair cut and she actually curled my hair a little bit, but it's kind of falling out now. Don't mind the coffee stain on my shirt because who am I without dropping something on my clothing? I really should never wear white. Oh, we have spent entirely too much money today, but that's just kind of how it is. When you're preparing for deployment, he needed new boots, new things for his uniform. He needs a whole new uniform, but apparently there's a shortage on the sizing that he needs. They said that it's just kind of everywhere. We even called a couple of other places and they don't have the sizes either, so he can do, like, he has uniforms that fit, so he can do okay until he's able to get more, but just kind of sucks because he wanted a new uniform, but that's okay. So I think we're finally done. Oh, we are gonna go put some gas in the car and then we're gonna head home, and I think we're good to be home for the day. I'm tired. I'm ready to, so much running around. I'm ready to be home. So I got these like gravity food and water bowls from Amazon because since we're gonna be gone for a couple of days, I don't want my sister to have to worry about their food and water because I refill their water multiple times a day and I refill their food twice a day. So this way, hopefully we'll be good the entire time. But I set them up today to see how they go over the next couple of days. Is that good? I really need to wash my tennis shoes. I have 3 pairs of tennis shoes and they're all kind of scruffy looking and I've been wanting to wash them. So Christian has these washing shoes. It's called Reshoevinator. He got it a while back, but it's like laundry pods for shoes. So I'm gonna throw them all in the wash. I took the laces out and put them in a little laundry bag. And I'm gonna wash them and let them air dry tomorrow. So tonight and tomorrow. I'm not going to the gym in the morning. I won't have time. So I figured today would be a good day to do it. I was originally gonna do turkey burgers, but they didn't have any ground turkey at the store. They had ground chicken, so I'm gonna give that a try. I feel like if anything, they'll just be a little bit juicier because I can just tell by like how the patty feels, I guess. I don't know. Hopefully they turn out okay.
She does that just in case she gotta get up. She don't know she gotta get up, mama. She don't know she gotta get up and make a run for it, huh, baby girl?
Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. I wanted to give you an update on my shoe situation. I put the laces in a little mesh laundry bag and somehow the ones from my On Clouds like escaped. I don't know how that happened, but anyway, the other ones stayed in there. But the shoes look amazing and they smell really good too. That stuff smells so good. Like, they're so white and so bright, and these especially were really dirty. I did yard work in them the other day. They look so good. So super happy. I think these came out of my On Clouds, I want to say. I'm not sure. No, I think they came out of these. Anyways, I'll put these back in. They were like separate Dr. Scholl's inserts that I bought. But yeah, I let them sit out last night and dry, and I think they're dry all the way, but I'm so glad I did that because they look great. I also did my nails last night. I put the fake nails on just while I was laying down before I went to sleep, and I'm so glad I went with these. I don't know if you can see like the transition that they give, but they're so pretty, and I love the shape and I love the length. They're perfect. So these were a great find. They were $8 Kiss, I believe, which the last time I bought Kiss brand glue-ons, they lasted for like 2 weeks. So definitely worth $8. I mean, that's a steal. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog off here, and I think I'm gonna pick back up tomorrow whenever we leave. I kind of want to document our last couple of days together, his farewell ceremony, and then him leaving on Tuesday. So I think I'm gonna pick up the vlog tomorrow and just do kind of a short one. It would be nice to be able to look back on those types of memories, so I definitely want to film it. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you made it until the end, please consider subscribing if you're not already. I'd love to have you here in the fam, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.